How safe is your pension? Let's have a breakdown of conservative Emma. She's 58, 7 years to retirement. She's got 218,000 in her pot, and she's up 3.2% year to date. Okay, by the way, if you want to see analysis that we use for people when we're evaluating their pensions, then get in touch on alpeshpatel.com. Let's just return to conservative Emma for a second and see how her pensions doing. Well, conservative, risk score 38, seems okay. The hidden overlap is part of the problem because she's got several funds with the same stocks in them. She would have been a lot more efficient just buying them directly herself in any event. She lacks a degree of confidence to do that, which is unnecessary but understandable. Here's part of the problem. She's lost £134,000 over 20 years to fees. And that's not going to get any lower. She's still got 7 years to retirement. So conservative Emma, thinking she's been conservative in giving it to a fund manager, is actually suffering from several things. But here's the stress test, which proves that it's not as conservative as she thinks. If there's a tech sell-off, typically 30% drop, whilst there's a recovery within 9 months, which is good, her portfolio would be hit by 6%. Is that conservative? She might not think so. A UK recession would tend to hit it with 12% drop in the portfolio and would take 18 months to recover. And her portfolio tends to be UK biased. Why? Well, because she's based in the UK and she's gone with fund managers who tend to offer her concentration of risk because they're exposing her to the country in which she already lives. Sterling weakness, well, that would give her a tailwind and help her boost another 2%. Not too bad, but outweighed by something she doesn't quite understand, which is a bond sell-off. It's where people want more interest to pay, want to be paid more in interest by the British government in order to lend it money. And we're in the middle of one at the moment. That could impact her stocks by another 11% with 16 months to recover. So there's quite a few risks to the downside, which are taking more than a year to recover. Not quite as conservative as she thought it was, although the weight of any individual stock is healthy for a conservative individual. It's one of the reasons why we do our pension x-rays, so students can understand a little bit better where they've got exposure, why their pensions are not growing, and what they could do about it by just handling it themselves through a SIP or ISA, with the right data, of course, and the hand-holding education. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com for more of that, and we'll give you a pension x-ray ourselves completely for free as well. Thank you.